Good morning students. Today we will learn subject Maths chapter 2 topic shapes and angles. Topic we will cover write the numbers of angle in the following figures. Also name the figures, closed shape and open shapes, types of angle. Let's start with first topic. Write the numbers of angle in the following figure. Also name the figure. Before I start, I explain you what is the shape. Shape it means with the help of line segment, this line, we make a figure, it called a shape. Look, first figure, here is 3 line segment. It is 1, 2 and 3. With the 3 line segment, this shape is made. So, this is shape of triangle. Then I explain you what is the angle. Angle means if 2 rays, 2 line segment or 2 lines intersect at one common point, it called angle. See. Here one line segment and second line segment meet at one common point here. So here is one first angle and in this way here is second angle and here is third angles. Okay. So name of figure is triangle and numbers of angle is 3. Triangle, 3 angles. Okay, let's move on. Second figure. See, here is one line segment, second line segment, third and fourth. With the 4 line segment, this figure is a rectangle. And see 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many angles here? 4 angles. So we write here 4 angle. Then this figure, see how many line segments? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. With the help of 5 line segment, this figure is pentagon. And how many angles here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, here is 2 line segment meet on one common point. Here also one common point. So how many angles? Here is 5 angles. We write here 5 angles. Then this figure, see how many line segments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It means this figure has 6 sides. So this name of this figure is hexagon. And how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here is 7 side and 7 line segment. This figure is called heptagon. And angles 7 angles. And here how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 sides. And how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So is a octagon. And angles are 8 angles. Before I explain you L shape, see here an L shape, the shape of right angle, V shape, less than right angle, here more than right angle. Suppose I draw here one line segment, so it is right angle, and here is more, so here is more than right angle. Then I see this exercise, write the numbers of angle hidden in the words. Here we count right angle, less than right angle, more than right angle in this figure. First see, here to here. See here, 1, here is L shape, so it is right angle. Then here to here, again second L means it is a right angle, and this word have 2 right angle. Here is 2 right angle. Then here see 1, here to here, 1, then here to here 2, and here 3, here 4. In these word as have 4 right angle. Here is edge. See, here to here, 1 right angle. L shape. Here to here, L shape, second right angle. This side, here to here, L shape, right angle. Here to here, L shape, right angle. Here is V shape, so there is no right angle. So how many right angle now? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here is 10 right angle. Now we see less than right angle, it means V shape. So here is no any V shape. So in this figure A have V shape. First see here. First V shape. Then here V shape. Here to here V shape. So here is 3. Less than 90 means less than right angle. More than right angle. Here see. This. So here is 2 is more than right angle. So how many total numbers of angle in this word? 3 and 2, 5 and 1. 15 angles. This word have 15 angles. Let's see. Second word, Lakshmi. First we count right angle. Here is L. It is 1. Here is 1 right angle. Then here is V shape and A have no any right angle. Here also V shape, no any right angle. Here also V shapes, no any right angle. But here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So right angle 5. Less than right angle. Here is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? angles less than right angle is 8. So we write here 8. Then more than right angle. See here 1 and 2, and here 2 means total 4. 8 and 5, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. So total numbers of angle in this word Lakshmi is 17. Now closed shape and open shape. First we understand closed shape. Closed shape, it means I draw one here closed shape. See here a square. Square has 4 sides. In this shape, we cannot enter or out from this figure because this figure is closed from all sides. So we cannot enter in this figure from any sides. And suppose I draw in this figure in this way. Only 2 sides. See, these sides are open. We can enter from this side. So this is open shapes, and it is closed shape. Understand? Now we do exercise. Tick right for closed shape from the shape given below. Tick right for closed shape. Closed shape, we will tick right marks. See first figure. It is your first figure. See this way. In this side, are open. So it is open shaped figure. And we have to write on closed figure. So we don't write anything here. Here is 3-side shape. And it is 3-side shape, it means triangle. See, all 3 sides are closed. We cannot enter from any side. So it is closed figure. So we take here. This is third one figure. It's rectangle and it is closed from all sides. So it is closed. We cannot enter. So we take here. This figure is open figure. It is 2 sides open. So it is open figure. And this fifth one is a closed from 6 sides. This figure has 6 sides, so it is closed 6 from 6 sides. We cannot enter from any side, so it is closed figure. So we take here right. This figure, it is also 6 sides and all sides are closed. We cannot enter from any side, so it is closed figure. And this one, see, this side is open, so it is open shape figure. And 8th one, see, it is a 8th one, all sides are closed, so it is closed figure. Understand? Pace yourself, homework, count the angle of each shape. The next topic is which type of angle is formed between the hands of the clock given below. Yesterday I explained you types of angle. Today we study how the different type of angle found in clock. Let's see first clock. Here's clock You know clock have two hands. One is hour hand and second is minute hand. First, suppose here hour hand on 3 and minute hand on 12. Yesterday I explained you L shape, it means right angle. On 3 o'clock, right angle is made. So time, I write here time. 3 o'clock and angle, types of angle, but here I write angle. Right angle. Now we see second clock. Yes, see our clock hands between 8 and 7 and minutes hands on 5. Which angle is formed? More than right angle or less than right angle? Yesterday I explained you V shape, it means less than right angle. Time 7:25, angle less than right angle. We see one more example here. Suppose our hand on 9 and minutes hands on 2. See, time 9:10, 9:10, angle more than right angle. Now we see other example here. Suppose our hand on 10 and minutes hand on 10, time 10 o'clock, angle less than